welcome back to CJ Models. Back with our Revell Ed Force 1, the Boeing 747. I've done a bit of work off camera, just glued the pegs going flying off yet. I've just done some work on the wings, just glued them together. Like I said, there was a bit of flash, but just scrape with a hobby knife. Take any, there's still a bit, but when I'm going to be sanding this anyway, it's just enough to fit. There's a couple of gaps here and there, but I'm not worried about them. They're not heavy gaps anyway. They should sand out. So there's our wings. That's one. I'll just pull it back in the box a minute, just so I got some room to show you. That's the second wing. Like I said, there's a lot of pegs needed on this. But I'd rather that. Save some a lot of sanding time. There are two clear parts which sit in here. I am going to add a bit of glue and glaze just to highlight them a bit better. And probably the landing lights. I'm not 100% certain, but I think that's what they are. The elevators, again, there's a bit of flash inside and some of the sink marks didn't quite sit, so I just cut them down with a hobby knife. Nothing drastic. And that fits together quite well then. So, excuse me getting up and down like this. And the second one, again, same thing. Nothing hard or fast. And then the fuselage halves, you can probably notice a bit of filler because we had to open some of the holes and close some of the holes. So it should be dry enough now. All I've done is just pull a bit of masking tape behind, just so the filler didn't fall through, just like that. So we can take that off now. There's only four windows to mask up and fill over. We'll check for any sinking, but it should be okay by the time it's sanded. But at least we've got a bit of bite on the next load of filler if required. So that should be okay. The second one then, same thing. Just really study the instructions because you don't want to be doing the wrong one. So just take the masking tape off here and then I'll show you what I've done on here. Right, that's all the tape off. As you can see, it's a big lump of plastic, this one. I put some plastic card strips. I just cut them up into random strips like this. That's just to hold when we put the fuselage halves together to stop any cracking. I've heard a couple of stories where you have them separate over time. So a bit of plastic card, just glue it with Tamiya glue. Just glued them randomly in. And then just enough so you can glue the two joins on both fuselage halves. So hopefully that should eliminate that. And then this is way too much, but this is what I had. This is the lead weight for the front. It only says 30 grams. This is slightly over that. But these are the to weight tires on car wheels. So mechanic friend of mine gave me them. So we'll just probably super glue that in. Like so. And I should then take our weight, and so the front wheel will sit. Will be sat on the tail. The don't forget to put the undercarriage bay in for the front wheel before we glue the halves together. And then, like you can see, I don't know if it on the camera. It's big plane, this one. So that was just a quick update I wanted to say. Nothing hard, nothing fast, no problems, no fit issues. It was fine. I'll glue this off camera and then I'll do a close-up video when it's dry. So hopefully catch you then, and appreciate all the support as always. Thank you very much.